So I want to take a little time now and talk about some of the questions that I get around some of the therapies that we offer, particularly around testosterone replacement therapy. First question I get, one, is it legal and what is it? Is it a steroid? Well, yes, testosterone is a steroid. All of our sex hormones in our bodies are steroids, whether that be estrogen, progesterone, whatever. It is completely legal and it's safe. We don't do it in a way when you talk about steroids and how bodybuilders use steroids. We do it under a medically supervised program, and we keep it at levels that minimize the risks and maximize your benefits. Another question I get asked are, what are the health risks around some of the treatments that we offer, particularly testosterone therapy? I've had guys come in and told them that their doctor told them that their heart was actually going to explode or they were going to have a stroke or a heart attack. I just want to tell you that the way that we do testosterone therapy, it's medically supervised, it's very safe. People who do underground testosterone or do it in a way that's what we call super physiologic, where the levels get too high, yes, those can be a problem. But at the levels that we keep you, we optimize the benefits and we minimize the risks. We do serial testing, and we're always following up and making sure that you're not having any side effects, or if you are having side effects, ways to mitigate some of those side effects. But overall, the way that we do it here at Empower Men's Health, we actually benefit the cardiovascular system, we benefit your neurologic system, and you get all of the benefits around testosterone with little of the side effects. One of the main issues that guys come into my clinic for are problems in the bedroom. So whether that be erectile dysfunction, meaning they can't get an erection, or their libido, their actual sexual desire is extremely low. And the question I get is, will testosterone or any other treatment that we offer help their erectile dysfunction? Now, testosterone replacement alone definitely can help your libido, and it can help your erectile function as well. But the great news is, if for some reason that's not what does the trick for you, we actually offer other treatments to help with your sexual function as well. And we dive very deep into what the root cause of those sexual problems can be and help transform those so you can be a better partner. Guys, I know it's difficult, right? We don't know where to start sometimes. We know we're feeling bad. We don't know the next step to take. Here at Empower Men's Health, we want to help you take that step. We want to lead you along the way to help you take control and become the empowered man that you deserve to be. So go ahead and click below, and we'll look forward to seeing you in our clinic and getting you started on your transformational journey to better health.